Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to log in Clipchamp account online AI video editing tool, so you can start editing your videos with ease from any browser. Step 1. Open any web browser on your computer, like Chrome or Edge. In the address bar, type clipchamp.com, then press enter. Once the site loads, look for the sign in button at the top right and click on it. Step 2. You'll now see a few login options. You can sign in using your Microsoft account, your email, or your Google account. Choose the method that works best for you. In this example, we'll use an email. Step 3. After selecting email login, type in your email address carefully. Then, click the button that says Send me a login link. Clipchamp will now send a sign-in link directly to your inbox. Step 4. Head over to your email inbox and find the message from Clipchamp. Open the email, then click the sign-in button inside it. This will instantly log you into your Clipchamp account. No password needed. Step 5. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Clipchamp dashboard. From here, you can start new video projects, access past edits, and explore AI editing tools. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tutorials.